Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Roblox name. Really simple and really quick, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is just head over on your web browser and type in roblox.com. That should take you to the Roblox main website, which is this one that I'm on right here. Now, once we get here, what we need to do is just go over to our right side of our screen on the top corner and click on this gear icon, which will open up these three options. Here we're going to select settings, and now our screen should look like this. We should have these options. Now here we are able to edit our username, password, and a bunch of other details. In our case, we are going to edit our username for the purpose of this video. Just click change your username. Now, in case you have an email linked to your Roblox account, you'll be able to do it straight away. But now, for example, in my case, as I haven't confirmed my account, I'll need to head over to my email, which I'm going to do right now. Now, once I verified my email, now I'm going to do it again. Just click on the change name one, and as you can see, now the next thing that we need to do is just have 1,000 or more Robux. Now I don't have this, but in order to be able to change your name, you'll need to save up 1,000 Robux. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Other than this, there's no other way that you can change your email name, unfortunately. So basically you'll be needing to save up in order to change your username. But that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.